Welcome guys to Environment Academics YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about noise pollution. The topic which we'll deal under the noise pollution is relationship between noise level, time and dosage. We usually get questions related to relationship between these three. So let's see what kind of questions we usually get. So this is the question which was there in previous year of Environment Science paper 2. So the question says noise of 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% dose. If the noise of 93 decibel is 1 hour duration, it represent a dose of, these are the options, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. So now student usually got panic like how to solve these kind of question. Is there any formula which we have to apply or like how to solve? So no need to worry, we can solve this question very easily. To solve this question we need to memorize few tables. So these are the tables which we need to memorize to solve these kind of questions. These tables represent the relationship between noise level, time and dosage. So let's go to first table, table number 1. So this table represents the relationship between noise level, time and dosage. So this table, as we can see, in this table 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of dosage. Same 90 decibel for 4 hours represent 50% of dosage. And 90 decibel for 2 hours represent 25% of dosage. So it is evident from the table that when we halve the time, the dosage also reduces to half. From 8 hours represent 100% of dose, 4 hours represent 50% of dose, and 2 hours represent 25% of dose. Same goes with table 2. Table 2 also has 90 decibel for 8 hours representing 100% of dose. As we can see, table 2 has different decibel level than table 1. So 93 decibel for 8 hours represent 200% dosage. Same 93 decibel for 4 hours represent 100% dose. 93 decibel for 2 hours represent 50% dose, and 93 decibel for 1 hour represent 25% of dose. Same with table 3 relations. 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of dose. 87 decibel for 2 hours represent 50% of dose, and 87 decibel for 4 hours represent 25% of dose. Here there's a difference. 87 decibel for 2 hours represent 50% of doses, and 87 for 4 hours represent 25% of doses. This needs to be memorized. As we can see, there is one thing common in all the table. The first equation, 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of doses. Now, it's also same for table 2. 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of doses, and in table 3 is also equal. 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of doses. So you need to memorize these tables. To solve these kind of questions. So let's go to previous question and see what was the answer. So noise of 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% dose. If the noise of 93 decibel is 1 hour duration, it represents a dose of, so it's clearly seen that 90 decibel for 8 hours represent 100% of dose, and 93 decibel for 1 hour represent 25% of dose. So the answer will be 25%. So these are few questions which you can attempt. Thank you. For more such content, please visit our channel. And for online classes for UGC NTA NET Environment Science paper 2, you can contact us at envacademics@gmail.com.